How to turn photos into cartoons using Canva. This tutorial covers 2 free apps you can use to get different cartoon-style results, both without needing a premium subscription. First, open Canva on your computer and upload the photo you want to convert. From there, click on your image to select it. After that, click Apps in the bottom left corner. At this point, search for Cartoonify in the search bar. Following this, click on the Cartoonify app once it appears. From here, click to apply it directly to your selected image, and Canva will automatically process and transform it into a cartoon. If you want to try a different style instead, there's a second option worth checking out. At this stage, add that same photo into a new design, or keep it in the same one if you'd like to compare results. Following this, click Apps again. From here, search for Anime this time. At this stage, click on the Anime app once it shows up. Following this, click to apply the effect to your selected image. This gives you a different, more stylized cartoon look compared to Cartoonify, so it's worth trying both to see which fits what you're going for. That's how you turn photos into cartoons using Canva with 2 completely free methods. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.